Welcome to Best Choice. The Best 700X38C inner tube is probably one of the most overlooked components of a smooth and enjoyable ride. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these essential tubes, exploring what makes a great one, and why you should care. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting out, understanding the nuances of inner tubes can significantly impact your cycling experience, from puncture resistance to overall performance. Number 5. Schwinn Bike Tire Tube. This 20-inch inner tube from Schwinn is designed for BMX bikes, kids bikes, and Stingray crotty bikes. It ensures a smooth ride. This tube is a reliable choice for your cycling needs. Made from tough rubber, this bike tube is built to last. It's lightweight yet sturdy, providing added puncture resistance. The Schrader valve stem makes inflation easy. Replacing the inner tube is quick and easy. You can do it yourself. All you need is a bike pump, and tire levers can make the job even easier. Choose the self-sealing tube for worry-free rides. It contains a sealant that instantly patches small punctures, so you can keep on rolling. This feature adds extra convenience. Schwinn is the original American bike brand. You can trust this product for quality and reliability. It's a great choice for your bicycle. What we like. This tube has a self-sealing feature, which is a game-changer for avoiding flats. It contains a sealant that instantly patches small punctures. If you are looking for a worry-free ride and want to minimize the hassle of roadside repairs, you should consider this. What people say. The tubes are exactly as described and fit my tires perfectly. These are great tubes and I have had no issues with them. Good quality and easy to install. Number 4. LotFancy 700C Road Bike Tubes. These are high-quality bike tubes from LotFancy. They are designed for 700C road bikes, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride. This tube fits a variety of tire sizes, including 700X35C to 700X43C. It's also compatible with several other common sizes, making it a versatile choice. Made from high-quality butyl rubber, this tube offers excellent resistance to heat and harsh weather. This construction provides better air tightness and extends the lifespan of your tires. The tube features a 32mm Schrader valve, also known as a regular valve. This is a common and easy-to-use valve type. To ensure a proper fit, check the sidewall of your tire for the correct diameter. Make sure the tire width falls within the tube's specified range. Inflate the tube slightly before installation to prevent damage. Ensure the valve is correctly positioned and the nut is locked. After installation, check that the tube is properly seated within the tire and rim. What we like. This tube offers a wide range of compatibility with various tire sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for your bike. Made of high-quality butyl rubber, it has good resistance to heat and harsh weather. If you have multiple bikes or plan to upgrade your tires in the future, it's a great choice. What people say. They were easy to install and fit snugly in my 700C tires without any stretching or awkward bulges. The material feels durable and flexible, and the valves are smooth to inflate. Say adjusto sin ningún problema a mis lantas tipo gravel del 38, solo necesitaba cambiar la llanta trasera pero se siente bien tener otra extra, hasta ahora la retención de aire es buena, ya veremos con el paso del tiempo. Number 3. Continental Cross 28 700x32-47C Inner Tubes. These are butyl tubes, specifically designed for cyclocross bikes. They are durable and reliable, perfect for tackling various terrains. This pair will keep your tires rolling smoothly. The tubes are designed to fit tires with a 32-47C section. This makes them versatile for different types of cyclocross bikes. Ensure a proper fit for optimal performance. Each tube features a 60mm long Presta valve. This length is ideal for deep section rims, providing easy access for inflation. It ensures you can easily pump up your tires. Each tube weighs only 169 grams. This lightweight design helps to reduce overall bike weight. It contributes to a more efficient and enjoyable ride. They feature seamless construction with mold-cured vulcanization. This process ensures uniform roundness and enhances durability. This construction provides a reliable and consistent performance. What we like. This tube is specifically designed for cyclocross use, providing optimal performance in challenging conditions. The long Presta valve is perfect for deep section rims. If you like riding on varied terrains and need a reliable tube for your cyclocross bike, you should consider this. What people say. The tubes are exactly as described and fit my tires perfectly. These are great tubes and a great value. Good quality and easy to install. Number 2. Corki 700C bike tire inner tube replacement. This inner tube is designed to fit 700C tires, specifically 23C, 24C, and 25C sizes. It also features a 48mm Presta valve for easy inflation. You'll never have to worry about a tire mismatch again. Always check your tire's PSI on the sidewall. These tubes are made for 700C tires and should be inflated to the recommended pressure to prevent blowouts. Proper inflation helps you avoid the risks of under or overinflation. Made with high-density butyl rubber, this tube delivers superior air retention and long-lasting durability. Spend less time pumping and more time riding with this dependable performance for your 700C bicycle. The nickel-plated brass valve defies rust and rain. It provides secure sealing and rugged construction, delivering all-weather reliability for your 700C bicycle inner tubes. It includes anti-slip tire levers for a safe, tool-free setup. Installation is easy enough for teens to do themselves, no expert help needed. If you experience any issues, we'll send a free replacement. Although the product passes strict factory checks, occasional defects might occur. We've got you covered. Include specialized tools, so kids can safely help install with your guidance. Turn tire changes into teamwork wins. What we like. This tube offers a precision fit for 700C tires, ensuring a perfect match. The high-density butyl rubber provides superior air retention and long-lasting durability. If you are looking for a reliable and durable tube that holds pressure longer, you should consider this. What people say. The tubes fit perfectly and were easy to install. The tubes have held up well under various riding conditions. These tubes are a great value and have performed flawlessly. Number 1. Sunlite 700X 35-40 bicycle inner tube. Are you looking for a reliable inner tube for your bike? This is a Sunlite inner tube, designed to fit a variety of bicycle types. This inner tube is sized at 700X 35-40, also known as 27X 1-38. It's important to make sure this size matches your tire for a proper fit. It features a 32mm Schrader valve, which is a common valve type. This valve is easy to inflate with most standard bike pumps. The package includes 2 inner tubes, so you'll have a spare on hand. This is great for replacing worn or damaged tubes. This tube is suitable for hybrid, fitness, and comfort bikes. Make sure your bike's tire size matches for optimal performance. What we like. This tube is designed for hybrid, fitness, and comfort bikes. It is a replacement inner tube for a hybrid, fitness, comfort bike or other bicycle with the same tire size. If you have a hybrid bike and need a reliable replacement, you should consider this. What people say. The tubes are exactly what I needed. They fit my tires perfectly. Good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.